So look at the first question. It's asking about PR is the diameter of the circle of center O, shown in the figure. Point Q is located on the circle. PQ equals QR. Then first question, what is the value of the angle PQR? PQR. The second one, what is the value of the angle PSQ? So look at this one. In here, PR is the diameter. Then angle PQR equals 90. Can you remember that? Angle PQR equals 90. Theorem is angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Then do you need to have any clarification? Please tell me. What is the value of the angle PSQ? So we have denoted angle PSQ. This angle. So before find the value of the angle PSQ, we have to get the value of the angle PRQ. So look at the triangle PRQ. It is an isosceles triangle because of two sides are equal in there. Then there's a theorem. Angles opposite equal sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. So according to that theorem, the angle opposite the side PQ is PRQ. And also RQ is RPQ. So those are equal in magnitude. Am I correct? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we can have an imaginary symbol like X. Then this also X. Then first we have to find the value of X. Then X plus 90 equals 180. What is the theorem? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle equals 180. So you have to write that theorem in this space. Then we have to get the value of X. X equals 45. Then this X and this X both are equal to 45. Then there's another theorem. We can say that angle PSQ equals angle PRQ. Both of them are in the same segment. Both of them are in the same segment. What is the segment? Segment is formed by a chord and an arc length. The total area covered by arc length and chord is generally known as a segment. Then so and this is a small segment and this is a large segment. So this angle equals to this angle also. So PSQ equals PRQ. So angle PSQ equals angle PRQ because of angles in the same segment are equal in magnitude. So this angle equals to value of this angle equals to value of this angle. We found that value of this angle is 45, then this also 45. Theorem is angles in the same segment are equal. So students, I will upload the answer script later. Then shall we move to the next question? Are there any doubts? Tell me. මේ පළවෙනි ගාන හදපෙයි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Yes or no, tell me. Students, if you have any question regarding the first question, so please tell me. Okay. Then shall we move to the second question? In the second question, it is a problem based on the midpoint theorem, application of the midpoint theorem. Then in the triangle ABC, midpoint of the sides AB and AC are P and Q respectively. If the angle ABC equals 110 and angle BAC equals 20, find the value of angle APQ. So we can apply the given data. Midpoint of the side AB is P, AC is Q. So by P, AB divided into two equal parts, and also by Q, AC divided into two equal parts. Then we can apply the midpoint theorem. So what is the midpoint theorem? Midpoint theorem is the straight line joining the midpoints of two sides in a given triangle So look at the problem. The straight line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the other side, and the magnitude of the newly drawn straight line is half of the other side. So I will tell the theorem again. The straight line joining. Straight line means PQ. Join the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Midpoints are P and Q. Is parallel to the other side. Other side means BC. And also the magnitude of the newly drawn straight line. It means PQ is the magnitude of the is the half of magnitude of the other side. Other side means BC. සිංහලෙන් කිව්වා ත්‍රිකෝණයක පාද දෙකක මධ්‍යලක්ෂ යා කරලා අන්තිම රේඛාව අනිත් පාදයට සමාන්තරයිලු. ඒ වගේම අනිත් පාදේ දිගේ හරි වැඩක්ලු. So students, we have to apply that theorem. So by that theorem, we can say that PQ side is parallel to the BC side. Then there are two parallel sides or transversals. Then angle CBP equals angle QPA because they are in the shape of F. So we can generally know them as corresponding angles. So angle, we can write this as CBP equals QPA equals 110. Reason is corresponding angles. You have to write that reason in here. So this angle 110. Then we have to find the remaining angle in this triangle. So this angle equals to 110 minus 110 plus 20. 180 minus 130 equals 50. So value of this angle equals 50. Is it clear? Yes or no? I will upload the answer script later. Tell me, hurry up. Is it clear? So shall we move to the next question? Question number 3. If angle ABO equals 42 in the semicircle of center O, find the value of angle PCO. Then you have to mark the given data. Angle ABO equals 42. Then there's a theorem. Center is O. Then AC is a diameter. Then the angle ABC equals 90. Then angle ABC forms when adding ABO plus OBC. ABC equals ABO plus OBC. ABC equals 90. Then ABO equals 42. Then we have to subject the OBC. Finally, OBC equals 48. But it is asking about the angle BCO. We have found that the angle OBC it equals 48. Then we have to find the value of the angle BCO. So in here, when we consider the triangle OBC, OB and OC are two radii. So then OBC is an isosceles triangle. Then in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Then the angle opposite OC side is OBC. And also the angle opposite the side OB is the angle BCO. So it is asking about the angle BCO. So we can easily get the answer as 48 by the isosceles triangle theorem. So this is the answer. Value of the angle BCO is 48. So is it clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Kamuli and others. Hurry up. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Question number 4. The vertices of the triangle ABC are located on the circle of center O. If OBC equals 30 and find value of x and y. So in here we can see that OB and OC are two radii. Then OBC is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Then angle OBC equals angle OCB. This is also 30. Then we can find the value of angle x. X equals 180 minus 60. X equals 120. Reason sum of the interior angles of triangles is supplementary. Then there's a theorem. Thus, angle subtended by an arc in the center of the circle is twice of the angle subtended by that arc at the circumference. So in here there's a term arc. Arc means any part of of a circumference. Then look at the theorem. The angle subtended by arc at the center of the circle. Then angle is starting from B and in from C. Center is twice of the angle subtended by that same arc. Same means the BC arc at the circumference of the circle. y වගේ දෙගුණයක් නෙවෙයි x ඉගෙන කිව්වොත් මෙහෙමයි. වෘත්ත ඡාපයක් මගින් වෘත්තයේ කේන්ද්‍රය ආපාදනය කරන කෝණය. එම ඡාපය මගින්ම වෘත්තයේ පරිධිය මත ආපාදනය කරන කෝණයෙන් දෙගුණය. Then we can say that 2y equals x. You have to write the theorem in here. No, so now I am again repeat the theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended by that arc at the circumference. Then we have found that x, then we have to subject y. Then y equals x over 2. Then y equals 60. So hurry up. This tute is mainly focusing the grade 11. So I think that you have write down the answer. So shall we move to the next question? Question number 5. The diagram shows a circle with center O. According to the information given, build up a relationship between x and y. So we have to mark the given data and we can name this point as A. Then look at the angle. Angle OC and OC is an radius. OC and OA are AD. OD also. Then angle ABC equals y. Then angle AOC equals 2y. According to the previous theorem I have discussed. ABC equals y, then AOC equals 2y. Then, so look at the straight line CD. So they are adjacent angles, බද්ධ කෝණ. සරල රේඛාව මත බද්ධ කෝණ කියලා කියන්නේ සිංහලේ. So now I am write the sentences. Angle 2 into angle ABC equals AOC. So you have to write the theorem in here. Then we can write down again. AOD plus so CD is a straight line. The angle AOD plus AOC equals 180. Then angle AOD is X. Then AOC is 2y. It equals 180. So this is the relationship. X plus 2y equals 180. So write down this one. So let me move to the next question. Question number 6. First one, explain the midpoint theorem using a suitable diagram. So we have to prove that. I think the meeting remaining only 7 minutes, but I have to explain it in at least 30 minutes, I think. So now I cut this video. So you have to join again to this link after 5 minutes. Okay. So students, look at the question number 6a. Explain the midpoint theorem using the suitable diagram. So students, look at the whiteboard. Now I am going to prove the midpoint theorem. So we have to draw some shapes. This is a triangle. And these sides are A, B, C. And we have to draw a parallel line to the side AB. So it is given that midpoint. The midpoint of the side AB is P. Side AC is Q. So students, midpoint of the side AB is P and AC is Q. Then we have to connect P and Q. And also this point is R. We have to draw a parallel line to the side AB through C. It is CR. Then we have to get a congruency when considering the triangles APQ and QCR. So now I will write down when considering triangles APQ and QCR. So we have to congruent both. AQ equals QC. Reason is Q is the midpoint of the side AC. So you have to write in this space. Then second one, APQ equals angle APQ equals angle QCL. QCL. Reason is alternative angles. Alternate angles. Then third one, angle AQP equals angle RQC. Reason is vertically opposite angles. So we can say that triangle APQ and QRC are congruent by the case AAS. So students, now I proved that and triangle APQ congruent to triangle QRC by the case AAS. Then AP equals RC. So we have to get the corresponding elements. AP equals RC. Then PQ equals QR. PQ equals QR. And also AP equals PB. This is not a corresponding element, but in the triangle AB equals PB because of P is the midpoint of the side AB. So by 1 and 3, we can, this is 1, this is 2, and also this is 3. By 1 and 3, we can say that PB equals RC. PB equals RC. This side equals this side. So look at the figure. In the quadrilateral BCRP, look at the problem BCRP. PR equals what? Now PB equals RC. And also PR equals BC. Why PR equals to BC? By the midpoint theorem, BC parallel to the side PQ, and also by the corresponding elements PQ equals QR. Then PQ equals PQR plus Q, PQ plus QR means PR. So please forget the noisy surrounding sounds because I am in a boarding. So PQ, PR, then PR equals to BC. Then we can say that PQ is half of BC. So finally we can tell that PQ parallel to BC and PQ is half of BC. This is the proof. In here you have to construct a parallel line to the side AB. Then by connecting the midpoint of the two sides P, AB and AC, the points P and Q, you can proceed the line PQ to the R. Then you have to get the congruency of the triangle APQ and QRC. Then you have to justify the corresponding elements. So that is the theorem. Otherwise, I will upload the answer script so you can get a clear idea. Then the second part. In the triangle ABC shown in the diagram, the midpoint of the sides AB, AC, and BC are X, Y, and Z respectively. First one, show that X, Y, Z, B is a parallelogram. Then show that AB plus AC plus BC equal twice into XY, YZ plus XZ. Then third one, prove that XYZB is a rhombus if AB equals BC. So look at the first question. So we have to again draw a triangle. Then it is ABC. Then midpoint of the side AB is X, AC is Y. Then BC is Z. So it is shown that we have to construct another one. So students, we have to do a construction in here. It is we have to join the point Z and X. Then we have to proceed. XY parallel BC. Then XY equals Then set the midpoint of BC. Then and also simultaneously we have to write the relationship So when we consider the quadrature bx, y, z, then so finally we can say that bx, y is a parallelogram. Then the second question, two xy equals bc, two y z equals ab. Then 2x z equals AC. 1, 2, then 3. Then we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is the answer. Then third question, I will erase this. If is asking about, we have to prove xy bz is the rhombus if AB equals BC. So xb equals yz and bz equals xy. So finally we can say that xy bz is a parallel rhombus, not parallel. This is the final answer. So take a minute. So let me move to the last question. Question number 7. So question number 7. This one. AB is the chord of the circle center of O. The tangent draw to the point D on the circle, and the bisector of the angle length AOD meets or at point O. First question, show that PO and PAO and PDO are congruent. Second one, show that and P is a tangent to the circle. Third one, show that POD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Fourth one, what is the location of the center of the circumference of the cyclic quadrilateral POD? Give a reason for your answer. So, first one, we have to congruent the triangles. So, we have to do a construction in here. Then now I am write the corresponding elements. AO equals OD radius. Then OP equals OP common side. CS making down. Third one, angle AOP equals angle POD. OP is the angular bisector. So, congruent due to SAS condition. You have to write down it. In the second question, show that the line P is a tangent to the circle. So, we can use the previous answer to get answer for this question also. PA. In a congruent triangle, corresponding elements are also equal. Then P PDA should be equal to the angle OAP. It equals to 90. OD perpendicular to PB, then ODP equals OD. ODP equals 90. So we can say that finally P is the angle to the circle. I will upload the answer sheet so you can see the correct answer. Then the third one. Show that POD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, there is a feature. Sum of interior opposite angles are supplementary. So if we take the angle OAP ODP, it equals both equals to 90. Then we can write down it as this 180. So finally write down PAOD is a cyclic quadrilateral. POD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In the last one, what is the location of the center of the circumference of the cyclic quadrilateral POD? මෙන්න මේකනේ අහන්නේ. ඔන්න ඕකේ සෙන්ටර් එක කොහෙද කියලා අහන්න ඕනේ සර්කල් එකේ. සෙන්ටර් එක තියෙන්න ඕන මේ A D PO intersection point එකේ. ADPO intersection point. ඒකේ මේ ටික අර කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් වලින් හැදෙන ගානක්නේ. ඒ පාරමකදී මම කියලා දෙන්න. Point is at මොනක තමයි කතාව. කොහොම හරි. So I have discussed the all answers for questions. So you have to follow it. On next day I will upload another tube on another aspect syllabus. So in a audio be with me. Thank you.